Internet Society Kyrgyzstan chapter accomplishes Sanarip Insan project, which is translated as a digital citizen. The aim of the project is to develop digital literacy, digital skills among youth and women in Kyrgyz Republic, mainly populated in rural areas of the country. Internet Society Kyrgyzstan chapter, in partnership with European Neighborhood Council, uses an adapted and localized international toolkit called MISST, developed by GSMA Foundation. GSMA Foundation is an international organization that unites GSM operators around the world. And the goal of the MISST is to alleviate digital literacy issues globally. And the Internet Society Kyrgyzstan chapter, the mission of the ISOC Kyrgyzstan chapter is to promote healthy internet in Kyrgyz Republic. The MISST methodology includes learning about benefits and features of such digital platforms as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, as well as some locally tailored platforms such as Kyrgyz, Google Maps, and other local platforms. This project is accomplished in support with the Ministry of Culture, Information and Youth Policy in Kyrgyz Republic, as well as a youth platform called Kylgyz. Sanarip Insan project is implemented by Internet Society Kyrgyzstan chapter and European Neighborhood Council and funded by the Office of the European Union in Kyrgyz Republic.